Blabbercat. With me are the founders of Shadilogy, Vasundhara Mantri and Aisha Jhunjhunwala. They are known to be the wedding agony aunts of the industry where everybody rely on their expert advice. So tell me, when was the first day you all discovered Shadilogy? How did it start and when did you all specifically realize that this should be a constructive project?
So this was somewhere around last year when we happened to meet over coffee and we were just talking, and Aisha was telling me how all her friends and cousins have been asking her for advice for their weddings, and I was telling her how my friends rely on me for all their styling advice, and I love curating their looks. And then we thought that why not like put this together into an aggregated formal sort of business idea. And that's how it all originated and started, and we started working on it, and now we are.
That's great. And here you are, and here we all rely on you. So let's start off with the questions. Which was the most popular brand of Shadilogy in 2017?
Surprisingly, it was a menswear brand.
Okay.
Arjan Duggal. So men are shopping more than women.
That's nice. I love it. And now we're going to start off with a question answer session of this is going to be a little fun. One quality about Aisha you like and dislike, Vasundhara.
Okay. So what I like about Aisha is that she's a very, very calm person and she's very organized, so she handles everything very perfectly.
Okay.
What I dislike about her, so we often travel together for work and she refuses to wake up in the morning and I have to keep poking her, and I'm always made to wake up first and get ready and sit there like half an hour earlier than her. So.
Okay, so now you have a comeback session ready. We're going to have the same question for you, Aisha. Which is the quality you like about Vasundhara and you dislike about Vasundhara?
First, I'll go with the dislike. A, when we are traveling, like she said, she pokes my face to wake me up. Secondly, I think she gets so stressed. But like she just gets stressed. So, you know, that becomes hard sometimes. But other than that, I love working with her. I think she's a wonderful person. So that's what I like about her.
Right.
And it makes it easier to work with. A person like, if you're easygoing, it's much easier to work with that kind of person.
Absolutely. And I think you two have come together and we all love you. So we're going to start off with one more question. What does one do as soon as they get engaged? Like when you see, when a customer comes to you and they're engaged and they're like really hyper, how do you take to them? What is your go-to advice to them and how do you manage that?
I think usually when people come, once they're engaged, first thing they think about is planning their bachelorette. They literally plan their bachelor. I think even before they're engaged, they start planning the bachelorette. So.
Okay, that's great.
I think they plan their honeymoon also once they get engaged. So.
Great. And do you have like, when they usually come to you, what is your advice to them, or how do you help them out in terms of their outfit and their jewelry? What is your go-to for that?
So it depends. It's from person to person,
Right.
what their needs are, what their personality is.
Okay.
So, you know, we really have to be very, we have to offer very personal kind of advice depending on the customer. So.
Okay, great. So now, this is my favorite round. Which designer comes to your mind when you think of Party Perfect? Vasundhara.
Vizion.
And Aisha?
Anand Bhushan.
Okay. Pretty but not mean. Vasundhara.
Nikasha.
And Aisha?
Arpita Mehta.
Ah, nice. Priceless and timeless. Vasundhara.
Riddhi Mehra.
And
Divya
Aisha?
Mehta.
Lovely, lovely. Thank you. Now I'm going to put you through a hypothetical situation, okay? Feel free to be awkward and nervous.
That sounds pretty funny and interesting.
Okay, if you were to be a bride of 2018, which designer would you wear? Vasundhara.
Anamika Khanna any day, any year.
And Aisha?
Sabya.
Lovely. A wedding you wish you were invited to?
So currently I'm obsessed with the crown. So
Okay.
I would say Queen Elizabeth in in that
Lovely.
time.
That's
Yeah,
so
I mean,
cool.
I would love to attend that kind of a royal wedding.
Right, and
yeah.
also, do you think that their kind of fashion and that whole era would really also entice you in that?
Amazing. I
Yeah.
almost feel like I was anyways a princess in some era. So
Just a little
definitely.
wave to all your fans. Actually, let's see. If you were a princess, what would your wave be?
Sachi, come on, that's like really funny, but like
Love that, love that. That's not your question. I'm going to ask you, what is a wedding you wish you weren't invited to?
Weren't invited to. I don't think I love weddings. That's what I mean. I love weddings.
That's what you do
hence-
for your
No,
living
that
right
is
now.
why I do it.
we both love weddings. I
I
mean,
love
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, that's great. I think that was just a trick question. We just wanted to
Yeah.
see how much you love Shadi Logic. You all have passed that test. Okay, a rapid fire round. Let's talk about, now I'm feeling Kejo for a day, so I'm going to ask you a nice, fun, rapid fire question and answer round. A royal wedding or a beachy wedding? Vasudha?
Any day a royal wedding.
And what about
Royal
you?
wedding.
Royal wedding. Okay. Anamika, Sabyasachi. I think I've
We
got my
already
answer.
answered that,
Okay.
yes.
Anamika and Sabyasachi anytime,
Yes.
any day. After party or a bedtime?
After party, for sure.
A bedtime. High five.
Y'all are so boring, guys.
Guys, bedtime, sleeping, eating,
I will
watching
keep
the
partying,
crowd.
like always.
Okay. Vasundhara, as a renowned jewelry designer, this segment is especially for you to reveal awkward customer secrets.
Okay.
We all want to know, the nation wants to know.
I hope they don't run away after listening to my answers.
Or they come because they know you're like the woman of the year for
Yeah.
this. Okay. Have you ever witnessed a Saas Bahu fight at your store?
Yes, of course, a lot of times.
Yeah?
Yeah, in fact, there's sometimes when the daughter-in-law will come and tell me secretly to keep aside some things for her when she'd come back later to pick it up. So it's really funny, and I know the internal secrets, that's even funnier.
You're like, I know what you did last summer.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, have you caught anyone shoplifting? Or
Actually,
trying to?
yes. And I literally ran behind the person when they were getting out of the building. So it's
And
like
how-
just one situation, but it has been like pretty
and was
awkward.
that very, very awkward? Or
It
like
was, because, yeah.
Because you knew.
Yeah, yeah,
It's like, okay.
yeah.
Okay, not wanted a customer to buy something because it didn't really look good on them.
A lot of times, and I'm actually not the best seller, so I think it shows in my face also. Yeah, it does
Okay,
show
so
in my face.
when a person is actually trying to do that, how do you dissuade them? Or
I actually tell them politely that probably this is not for you.
Okay.
Or sometimes if they're too stubborn about buying it, just back off, you know, because it's ultimately their decision. But I
Okay.
think my face says it all. So
Thank you so much, Vasundhara and Aisha. You both look lovely. You both are lovely. And Shadi Logi is lovely. We love Shadi Logi. And for more wedding related questions, any kind of website related queries, go to Shadi Logi. And for any other queries, go to Blabbercat because it's going to be a lovely, fun session. And thank you so much for coming and having me here.
and thank you, Sachi, and thank you, Blabbercat. Like this was amazing and a lot of fun as well.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
Cheers to Shadi Logi.
Cheers.